People are not successful not necessarily because they don't have the talent or the skills, but because they don't show up. Hi everyone, my name is Enemona Onyeke and I want to welcome you to the channel. Here is where I share weekly video on how to make money online and on the street and interview people to know what they do for a living and how you can learn from them. But today's video is entirely different from what you are used to on this channel, and that is because this particular video is a moment of truth for me, and I want to put myself out there and I want you to be my accountability partner. I've come to the agreement with myself that I've not really been successful on this channel or when it comes to the whole content creation thing, because it's not because I don't have the skills. For a start, I have some of the basic skills, but it's because I've not really been consistent, and that is the general principle of life. People are not necessarily successful because of this, the lack of skill, the talent, but because most of the time we fail to take action, we fail to execute. And if you are starting a journey, or if you have something doing that you are struggling to make progress, this particular video is for you. The whole YouTubing or putting out content there have become a challenge for me, and almost all my friends, people who know me, they know, okay, this content creation is what I want to do. I don't know how to put it, but then it's obvious I'm not showing up daily. I almost did not record the video for today, but decided to take that extra step to make sure I shoot this video and definitely post it as my day one video. Some of you might be seeing this video late on the channel. I'm taking this step of trying to stay consistent on the channel, posting daily for 21 days, because I want to build myself in this particular aspect, and I want to go through the process, because I've come to discover that not really, I'm not making progress, not really because I don't know what to talk about, I don't know what to teach, or I don't have some of the basic skills that can get me started. But I think it's a kind of general thing where people are stuck. Some people, there are lots of terms that are used to describe some of these things, but the one I want to use is um, most people are stuck in life basically because of fear. So, for instance, some might be because of, most time it's fear of the unknown. We don't want to be judged. Okay, we feel we are not too good enough. Or when it comes to this YouTube thing, the fear that, okay, you put the video out there and you get zero view. But trust me, no top content creator you see out there started out with millions of views. At a point, they had to start from the lowest point, some of them zero views over several videos until the results started coming in. And that is what I'm deciding to do. So as much as possible, I want to start imperfectly as much as I can and see how I will grow over time. I read somewhere that, okay, we get to build habits over 21 days. Like, you can build any habits or learn any skill over a period of 21 days if you are really committed to it. And I see some truth to that. You, for people in Nigeria, you see the National Youth Service is almost for a period of 21 days. And from people that have interacted with about their experience in camp, most of them, they get to tell you that, oh, the first 7 days was very difficult, but as they grew into the camp, they settled in well, and some of them, depending on the camp, were even wishing to spend more days. This basically describe when it comes to building new habits. When you are building or trying to do something great, it is not really about your perfection, right? It's about the discipline. And that is what this 21 days, trying to put out this content for 21 days, is all about. It is not about the perfection, it is about the discipline. Me showing up daily and putting out content, doing what I love to do. So that is what basically this 21 days is all about. And I believe the first 7 days is not going to be easy, just like today is the first day and I am already running behind schedule. So, but then you must make it a point to try to show up daily for 21 days, and before you know, you start seeing results. For me, I'm going to show up for these 21 days. And like I said earlier, people have various reasons why they don't usually show up. But basically, I said fear is one of the reasons why people don't get to show up. But for these 21 days, I'm going to put all my fears away and try to show up when it comes to this channel. The take home here is that consistency will always beat talent, right? Consistency will always beat motivation. For several years, my friends that are very close to me know that YouTube is something I've been wanting to do for a very long time. I've really been motivated about it, but I'm not showing up. I'm not putting out content there. But there is a narrative I want to change, right? So sorry, like, I'm making this video to be more of a conversation, right? Me talking to you. And for the next 21 days, most of the videos I'm going to put out will not really have much editing to it, just maybe me cutting out some of the pauses and some minimal adjustment to the video. So the videos are going to be practical as much as possible, and it is a journey that we all are going to enjoy. This video is not just about me, it is about you. I believe at this point you have something that you've been wanting to do, but every time you try to find excuses why you shouldn't do that. So it is me telling you that take away all the excuses and start doing whatever you need to get yourself productive, because you can't become master of anything just from your first start. Your success in anything you do, any field, any area of life, is a product of repeated action. And most of the time, these actions are not pleasant, they are boring, but it is this boring action that will get you the desired results that you want. And that is why I'm committing to taking out this action of trying to shoot every day and trying to put the content there. And I hope you come along with me for these 21 days of me showing up here. I'll be talking about online business, the skills you need to know, how you can avoid online scam, how you can become a better version of yourself, and some of the skills that you need to be successful when it comes to both your online and even on-site business. So there is a lot I have in package to share with you. So if you are also in this journey of trying to make yourself better, so please make sure you stay along and subscribe to the channel so that you get notified each time I put out a new content on the channel. So make sure you subscribe. Finally, before I sign out, this is the day one of me showing up even when it is uncomfortable. So if you are in this journey with me, please comment day one in the comment section and I'll be there reading your comment. And finally, remember that you don't need to be perfect to start. You need to start to become better. I will see you tomorrow, same place, same commitment. Bye for now.